Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the ANCEL AD410 Automotive OBD2 Scanner. If you're a gearhead like us, you know the importance of having a reliable OBD2 scanner in your toolbox. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the AD410, its features, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for every car owner. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive adventures. The AD410 is not just any OBD2 scanner. It's packed with features that make it an excellent tool for both beginners and experienced DIY mechanics. It's compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, which means it works with cars, SUVs, and trucks. Manufactured after 1996 in the United States and 2001 in Europe and Asia. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the ANCEL AD410's features and functions. 1. Large display. The first thing you'll notice is the large, easy-to-read LCD screen. This screen displays all the essential information, making it simple for anyone to understand the data. 2. Code reading. With the AD410, you can quickly read and clear trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. These trouble codes can give you insights into what might be wrong with your car. 3. Live data stream. Additionally, the scanner can display real-time data in the form of graphs, helping you monitor various parameters like engine temperature, RPM, and more as you drive. 4. I/M readiness status. Checking your car's I/M readiness status is a breeze with this scanner. It tells you if your vehicle is ready for an emissions test, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. 5. Battery voltage check. Another useful feature is the battery voltage check. It helps you keep an eye on your car's battery health, preventing unexpected breakdowns. 6. Built-in DTC library. Even if you're not an automotive expert, the built-in DTC diagnostic trouble code library provides descriptions of trouble codes, making it easier to understand what's going on with your vehicles. Now, let's talk about how to use the ANCEL AD410. Trust me, it's as simple as 1 to 3. 1. Plug and play. First, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the AD410 into the port, and it will power on automatically. 2. Navigate the menu. Use the intuitive menu system to select the function you want. You can read and clear codes, view live data, or check your I/M readiness status with just a few button presses. 3. Interpret the results. Once you've performed a scan, the scanner will display the results. If there are trouble codes, write them down or take a picture with your phone for reference. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need the ANCEL AD410? Well, let me give you a few good reasons. 1. Save money. With the AD410, you can diagnose issues on your own, potentially saving hundreds of dollars in diagnostic fees at the mechanic. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing what's going on under the hood gives you peace of mind. You'll know when to address a problem before it becomes a costly repair. 3. Emissions testing. If you live in an area with strict emissions testing requirements, the AD410 helps ensure your vehicle is ready for inspection, reducing the stress of passing. 4. Quick fixes. For deers, this scanner is a game changer. You can identify issues and make quick fixes without guesswork. The ANCEL AD410 Automotive OBD2 Scanner is a valuable tool for any car owner, whether you're a novice or a seasoned gearhead. Its ease of use and comprehensive features make it a must-have in your automotive arsenal. Final thoughts, host voiceover. So, if you're serious about taking control of your car's health and saving money on repairs, consider getting the ANCEL AD410. We've provided a link in the description below where you can check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips, reviews, and adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time,